decorating for Christmas. My Christmas tree has been up since November 1st. I just love enjoying my Christmas decorations, and I'm so excited to show you guys how to decorate this year. I've always done a traditional Christmas with red and green. Last year I did Ralph Lauren, so it's actually very cool to see that it's trendy. I actually own some Ralph Lauren Christmas decor, so I'm excited to show you guys how I decorate. This is a Ralph Lauren ornament that I picked up last year. It's the Ralph Lauren bear in a tuxedo. Another ornament that I'm excited about is this greenhouse, and this one I got from Hobby Lobby. So I'm excited to add that to my collection. I love glass ornaments. Another glass ornament that I picked up is from Old World Christmas. And this one is a Frisian horse, a Frisian black horse. I love it so much, and this smells so beautiful in my tree. It's so beautiful. So how I love decorating my Christmas tree is with lots of glass ornaments that I've collected over the years, and I take really good care of them since they're glass. I also did these paw ornaments with my dogs a couple years back, and I love placing them on my tree. I also filled my tree with some red velvet ribbon. These are pre-made bows from Amazon. This year I would definitely want to fill up my tree a little bit more. So I picked up these blue Hobby Lobby ornaments. They are huge. So I'm definitely going to be adding some blue to my Christmas decor. I always do the red and green traditional Christmas, but I thought blue is a cool color to add on, especially since we'll go with my Ralph Lauren Christmas decor. So and I have these big red ornaments. I'm going to add these to my tree too. I love the big blue and red ornaments. Now I'm going to add my collection of glass ornaments. I love how this brings a lot of color to my tree. Next, I'm going to add these burgundy velvet ornaments. They're a little smaller than these big ones. I'm also adding these red and burgundy cranberries to my tree. It adds some beautiful texture. This is the progress of my tree with the ornaments. Decorate my coffee table, and to stay in that Ralph Lauren theme, I got this bug last year. I love it. It looks so beautiful on my coffee table. That's where it stays all year round now, and I love this book. Not only, like, look how beautiful it is filled with beautiful pictures of different homes. So much style, so much inspiration. Yes, it's is a beautiful book. I love it. Love all the horses throughout too. Oh, look at this cute little dog.